may not be aware of our tradition and our rules. Precisely, concurrent resolution does not go through the President because it has no force and effect of law. It is a sense of the Senate resolution. So, there is no politics here. We are not depriving the President of the right to veto or approve. That is, the right to veto or approve is in the joint resolution that we filed, which has the force and effect of law, and which is now being also filed in the House. That will be the one that will extend the franchise for whatever period necessary while we are debating on the franchise. But a concurrent resolution simply expresses the sense of the Senate, and therefore does not really need the approval of the President. It is the joint resolution. So it was we regret that statement. Maybe it's because he's not aware of the tradition in the Senate and the rules.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.